Hey Tara, what are we gonna be doing today?
We're gonna go cut all my hair off.
How? Tell us.
What do you mean how? With scissors? Snip.
Let's see the back of it.
I'm trying to focus.
Yeah, we cut off a lot, so what are we doing today?
So I'm doing a pixie cut today.
How short do you think? We'll show pictures.
Probably pretty short. I have a couple ideas on my phone that I've been looking at on Pinterest. That I really like.
Are we keeping the bangs?
Possibly. I'll have to talk to the lady because I don't know if I can work, if the bangs will work with the pixie cut. But I'm hoping so because that'll be fun.
Okay.
I like the bangs.
All right, we will do the reveal.
Yeah.
Yes,
Are we
okay.
recording for cutting it?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Sure. I'm gonna do the wash first. Okay. Is your hair darker than last time?
Okay, here it goes.
Very good now.
All right. It's good. It's going to be summer. Your head won't feel so cold.
That's why I wanted to wait until now to do it. You can change your mind, that's fine. We'll stop. Too late now.
Oh, I love it.
I'm so excited. The orchestra teacher at Westlake did that too.
She just did it.
That was how it was. That's awesome.
Wasn't she did some of this?
Oh, that's fun. See, I like that. I mean, it's kind of bold to take your hair short to shave, but you can have so much fun with it. I have a client who is an artist, and she would draw like somewhat abstract drawings, and then I put it on her.
Oh, that's so awesome. I love it.
I wouldn't be brave enough to do that. Like, get sick of it too quickly. It only lasts for a couple weeks.
You see how fast Dad's stripes are growing out. It's so sad.
Maybe that'll be the next thing. This one's a strange, like, when it comes so close to my head.
Oh, honey, I love it. I love it already. Oh my gosh.
There's a part of me that is very nervous because I've never just, like, had my hair this short. But
It's okay.
too late now.
It's gonna be great.
I'm so excited though.
Turn. Oh, come over here. You're so dark.
Got spray tan.
Turn around. Show us your excellent, excellent, excellent.
You should show up your
Oh yes.
Selfie time now.
It's always selfie time we're talking about.
Did you tell Cameron you were cutting it all off?
Nope, he has no idea.
Really?
I have
Yeah.
a surprise for you on Tuesday.
I'm gonna Skype him later and figure out, and we'll see how that ends.
Short? I
If I'm feeling
love
crazy,
it.
I'm gonna go chop all my hair off, not get a tattoo, because that hurts less.
Oh, it's so cute.
It makes your hair look so dark.
Oh, yeah?
I think it will even more. Your hair's getting so dark.
I was telling Jason, I'm excited I can wear my big earrings. Heck yeah.
She's like, everyone can see them.
Yeah, because I don't ever want to wear big earrings because my hair gets tangled in, like with hoops and stuff. My hair gets all wrapped up in them, and it's just, and you can't ever see them either. So this is fun.
I love that. Excellent.
touch it until it's like completely done.
So cute.
Have I ever had any of my hair this short? The bangs.
When you were a baby.
I was laughing at the pictures of me when I was holding Aislinn, that's in Aislinn's room. I'm like, that was the first time I had bangs.
Oh, Tahola.
Look at me.
So beautiful. Remember, I'm not
Aislinnn with a pixie.
That'd be drastic.
I will cry. Please don't.
Cute. You see that purple?
Yeah, right there. Ooh, that is definitely different. Ooh, I like it.
Look at me.
So much volume. Very
It's
cute.
cute.
Oh, the back is.
Yeah,
I mean, you want that.
yeah, I like that.
Don't you feel like hair has to like kind of get adjusted too? Like after a few days, like it lays better and. Oh, I like that pointy. That's cute.
It looks so good. It looks so good on you.
My
Okay,
hair
look at me.
is a lot better than I was thinking it would. That makes
Cute, cute. Oh, she's doing the spin.
You're shredding.
Yes.
It's so,
So cute.
I'm like, where's all my hair? Oh, my neck's all like